Hello grammar enthusiasts, welcome back to our channel. Today we are diving into another topic which is 10 different ways to say boring. Let's explore 10 alternatives that will add flair to your expression. Tedious. Listening to tedious lectures drains mental stamina. Dreary. Spending a dreary day indoors motivates me to plan outdoor activities. Uninteresting. Reading uninteresting books makes studying difficult. Monotonous. So much monotonous routine leads to burnout. Unimaginative. Creating thrives when we break free from unimaginative thinking. Plain. Simple, plain designs lack visual appeal compared to intricate patterns. Dull. Dim light causes everything to appear dull and gloomy. Unvaried. Life becomes mundane when routines remains unvaried. Unexciting. Watching unexciting movies tempt us to scroll social media instead. Lethargic. Physical activity helps combat lethargic feelings after long periods of sitting.